As the era probes into the foundation of heavy industry machine, and intelligent manufacturing calls for pioneering innovators, there is always a beam of light illuminating the way forward with a pioneering stance. In 1998, a ray of ingenuity originated from ShandDong land emerged amid the tides of times. ShandDong Fin CSE Machine Co., Ltd., embarked on its journey ever since. From a small team chasing dreams together at the early stage, to over 300 industrial elites striving side by side today. From humble beginnings in a narrow space, to a magnificent modern intelligent manufacturing park covering 100,000 square meters. From the debut of the first machine, to the milestone listing on the capital market in 2008. With more than 2 decades of dedicated development, our products are widely applied in core fields of national key facilities. Extra high voltage, transmission towers, high-speed rail tracks, wind power and nuclear power, engineering machinery, steel structures, automobile manufacturing, aerospace. Currently, Fincom has grown into a benchmark enterprise of processing machines for multiple industries. It has more than 50 professional R&D staff. Domestic market share stays above 40%. Products are exported to over 80 countries and regions worldwide. We set industrial benchmarks with pioneering strength. We focus on the research and development of optomechatronics integrated intelligent complete processing machines. Fincom has won China Machinery Industry Science Technology Award and over 200 national patents. Serving as a director unit of China Steel Construction Association, we have obtained multiple scientific and technological progress awards. We participated in formulating 4 national standards and 3 industrial standards. We drive standardized industrial development with professional competence. Self-developed CAM software realizes automatic conversion from CAD drawings to processing programs. We reshape new intelligent manufacturing modes featuring complete set, compound function, high efficiency, intelligence, and flexibility. Every single machine embodies exquisite craftsmanship and sacred mission. After years of development, Fincom has formed 6 major product lines. Tower processing machines. We draft national standards for tower processing machines. The machines support automatic feeding and outfeeding, and can perform intelligent functions including punching, drilling, marking, cutting, angle cutting, and automatic stacking to realize continuous automatic production. Steel structure processing machines. Capable of automatic feeding, the machines conduct intelligent processing such as drilling, marking, sawing and notch milling on H-beams. Large gantry processing machines. We set national standards for multi-spindle gantry drilling machines and horizontal deep hole drilling machines. Numerical control machining including milling, boring, drilling and tapping can be conducted on various base parts, plates, discs and shell parts. Bridge steel structure processing machines. Mainly used for 3-sided hole group machining of large bridge steel components. Rail track processing machines. Applied to drilling, chamfering, sawing, milling, and spraying of high-speed rail tracks. Its domestic market share exceeds 90% with world-leading technology. Special processing machines. Customized research and manufacturing of machines tailored for diverse industries. Equipped with world-class complete machining machines, the company owns powerful processing capacity. What we deliver is far more than precise machines. but empowers clients to transform into intelligent factories, and serves as solid support for high-quality industrial development. Bear national aspirations and social responsibilities. We commit to providing mature, professional, and customized industrial solutions for clients. Thinkm interprets joint development power with precision and intelligence. The road lies beneath our feet, while ambition reaches for the sky. Thinkm firmly believes that stable quality wins steady market recognition. In the days ahead, we will keep breaking technological barriers as bold pioneers. Consolidate the foundation of intelligent manufacturing with persistent dedication. Every step forward is steady and powerful. Every breakthrough carries sincere dedication to Made in China.